हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में।
In today's video, we will write a short essay on summer season. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. In this season, the temperature became so high that water starts evaporate very quickly. But this is the most entertaining season for kids who enjoy it to the fullest because their school gets off in the summer season. Usually, summers last for mid or later March to June, but they can extend up to first week of July due to delay of monsoon. Facts about the summer season. The season occurs when the earth tilts towards the sun and a vice versa phenomenon for winter. The day becomes warmer and nights become cooler. Besides, the day is longer and nights are shorter. The season we get a lot of variety of fruits and vegetables. This is a season in which farmers prepare their land for cultivation. The sky becomes clearer as there are no clouds to give shades and the sun shines bright. Effects of summer season. Summer is hot for many reasons. These include some natural factors and some man-made factors. These factors also cause many changes in climate conditions. Although the season is quite dry, the kids love it. Moreover, too much hotness is very bad for certain things and results in many problems. One problem that it causes in human, which is very common, is dehydration. It only causes weakness and dizziness but also can lead to death. So to keep the body hydrated, we need to drink plenty of water. Small ponds, rivers, and wells dry up in this season. The groundwater level declines, and in some areas, condition like drought occurs. Who enjoys summer? Although anyone can enjoy the summers the way they like, the children love it the most. They love it because they have a long summer vacation ahead of them which they enjoy fully. Besides, they can do whatever they want, be whomever they want, and spend their day playing and traveling with family. Most of the children visit their grandparents in summer or go to hill station in a cold place to enjoy with family. For them, it is the most relaxing time when they do not have to do any homework on daily basis. Moreover, they do all the kinds of fun and naughty things they could. In this time, they become the king of their dreamland. Effects on life, whether humans, animals, or birds, all become very irritated of the season. The summer season causes them to stay indoors, and it makes conditions pretty harsh to go out. During the day, temperature rises to a level which causes difficulty. What is good about summer season? There are many good things about summer that includes the king of fruits and everyone favorites mango. Apart from that, there is a large variety of fruits and vegetables in the market. To conclude, we can say that the summer season is not as bad as it looks. It is just any other season. We can also enjoy summer like any other season by finding the right ways like kids. Moreover, the season is rich in a variety of fruits and vegetables, especially the mango.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच for your valuable time and wish you all the best for your future.